The Huawei MatePad Pro 5G is a high-end tablet with next-gen connectivity, but it starts at 5,300 Chinese yuan $785. The MatePad 10.4 is cheaper, 1,900 Chinese yuan $280, for the Wi-Fi only option, but is not as capable. In the midway point between those two lies the new Huawei MatePad 5G. It is fairly similar to the 10.4 model. However, it upgrades to the Kirin 820 chipset. This brings with it a 5G modem along with Wi-Fi 6. Compared to the Kirin 810 of the other tablet, it has double the Cortex-A76 cores 4 in total and a more powerful Mali G57 MP6 GPU, up to 30% faster than the G52 MP6. Also, there only one memory configuration for the slate. 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage, expandable via a microSD card. Chipset aside, there are more similarities than differences. The MatePad 5G has the same 10.4 IPS LCD panel with 2000 x 1200 px resolution. Next to it is the same 8MP front-facing camera. On the opposite sides is another 8MP cam. There are 4 speakers mounted around the perimeter along with 4 microphones. The battery capacity remains the same, 7,250 mAh, but charging speed has been increased slightly to 22.5 W from 18 W. 30 minutes gets the battery up to 30%. Going to 100% takes 2.5 hours. Charging is done over the USB-C port, which now has to serve double duty as the wired headphones port. The 3.5mm jack has been dropped at least to get a Type-C to 3.5mm adapter in the box. This tablet is compatible with a couple of key accessories: a hardware keyboard cover and the M Pencil stylus. Since the slate runs EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10, no GMS, it supports Huawei Desktop Experience, which can turn it into a compact laptop replacement. The Huawei MatePad 5G can already be pre-ordered from vmall.com at a price of 3,200 Chinese yuan, inches white and gray. For comparison, the MatePad 10.4 with LTE in the same 128 GB memory configuration goes for 2,500 Chinese yuan.